In this tutorial, I'm going to show you quickly how you can trace an image really fast in Adobe Illustrator. For very simple images that I would like to trace in Adobe Illustrator, usually I use this method. So make sure you watch this until the very end and subscribe for more tutorials. So first thing that you have to do, import your image. So here I have the image, and now what I have to do is to go to Object, and here please click on Image Trace, Object, Image Trace, and then click Select here, Make and Expand. And tracing may proceed slowly with this image, with this large image. Would you like to continue? So click on OK. And this is what we have. And now, if you go here to Object and you click on Ungroup, you can select only this part and grab it. So you only have now, you now only select some parts of the image, say this one, and you basically also have this one, or this one, or you can also go with just this part, and then so you move this here, and then you select everything else, and you right click and select group, and now you can resize and move it. This is what you have. Now you can right click and then select this. Maybe you don't want that. Maybe you want to grab this. Now you can customize. So this option that we have inside Adobe Illustrator, it's actually really great. And what image trace means, so let's say you have some interesting pictures, illustrations, and or just some images, and you want to use them in different ways, making a poster or designing things. So with Adobe Illustrator, using this feature called Image Trace, this is gonna help us to regulate pictures like PNGs, GIFs, JPEGs. So into regulate pictures into special pictures called vector images. So vector images are like they're like magic because they are made up of fancy matte stuff instead of regular pixels. This means they can be resized to any size we want without getting all blurry and weird looking. So if you ever want to print something really big or use it in digital design, vector images are the way to go. And this Adobe Illustrator feature, this really awesome, cool feature, Image Trace, is helpful to use. So that's why at the beginning of this video I started using Image Trace, because even if it's just an image, a JPEG, a PNG image, I transformed this from an image to a vector image. So yeah, Image Trace is really nice and it's really cool to use it. You just have to go to Window and then Image Trace, and the panel pops up. As you can see, I showed you at the beginning of this video. So yeah, I really hope you found this explanation helpful, because Image Trace is really great for all kinds of work, and it's great for cool vector images. Because from a really simple logo to more complicated illustrations, it's really a game changer. It really helps a lot to improve image quality and making your image as big or small as you want. So yeah, thank you for watching. And if you have any additional questions related to Adobe Illustrator, let me know in the comments section. I'll create a tutorial for you. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos.